Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the MAF sensor, also known as mass airflow sensor on Jeep Cherokee. This generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the MAF sensor guys, for any of you trying to find out how to test MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor, we have many videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step. Now some Jeeps may not have a MAF sensor, instead they will use the MAP sensor and the intake air temperature sensor to calculate how much air they get as well. So if you don't have a MAF sensor, we have a video that's called Where is the MAF sensor on Jeep Dodge Chrysler. Check it out, it will explain all about that. There will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee guys that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. People told us it's super helpful video. Let's open the hood. Facing the engine guys here on the right side, this is the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse, okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse, sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, and by the way, before we start, if you have that multi-air engine, we have more than 200 free repair videos that will teach you how to fix almost anything on it, how to take it apart, how to replace things. Check it out. All these videos will be on our YouTube channels. Now, here we need to check multiple fuses because there is limited information about those, but those are engine management fuses, so check all of them guys. You may have all of them or just some of them, but the first one if you need to check is fuse number 7, then check fuse number 8. Right here, check fuse number 10, fuse number 16. You want to check fuse number 13 guys, okay, which will be, you see these two relays, between them there is one red fuse. We didn't do a good job taking a picture of it, but it's right here. You need to check fuse number 30, this one, it's a micro 3-blade fuse, that's actually a double fuse. Always keep some spare ones of those are hard to find guys. Next you want to locate fuse number 59, right here, and fuse number 83 right here. You don't have any relays, the relay function practically is controlled by the engine computer. You have only these fuses that are known as relay fuses on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.